Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can compress your videos up to more than 50 or more than 60% in your PC. So guys, this is the app which we are going to use, Handbrake. So don't worry guys, I'll be giving the links in the description box below so you could download this app. So I have this video for my test, so let's see the properties of this video. As you can see guys, this is 4 MB and 4.42 MB of video. So let's go to Handbrake now, and I'll show you that how to compress this video. So it shows to drop a file or folder here, so we can open a file here as well, or we can just simply drag it over here. So as our video is selected now this is what it will be looking like. So what we can do is, now make sure you uncheck this one and click on web optimized, go to dimensions and make sure custom everything is 0 over here. Make sure you select everything 0, and this width over here, this should be 1280 into 720, or whatever your source is, your original video source. Make sure that you copy it over here and select it on loose, or even though if you keep on automatic it's fine, but I prefer to keep it on loose, so it will just get fixed over there. So after getting on dimensions, go to videos, just ignore the filters one, and make sure it is selected on this first one over here. And constant quality, this is a bit important, so make sure you take it all around to 30. It might lose some of your quality of your video, but you can take it to 28 if you want, but in my case I'll take it to 30. If you want, you can keep it to 25 or 28 if you want, if you don't want to lose much quality in your video. And encoder preset, make sure you keep it to placebo over here. It will be very slow guys, actually it depends on your processor. If your processor is very good, it will be good, but my processor is not that super computer fast. So, and this video is actually very short, like 16 seconds, so I'll just to show you keep it on placebo. You can, if you want, you can keep on medium or fast or very fast, but that won't affect much on the file size of the main file. So make a note of that, and make sure to keep the encoder level on 5 and encoder level to keep on profile to keep on high. So remember these settings. So let's go to audio and we'll change this to 192, and don't change anything, and everything is done. So we'll just save our main file on our desktop. So we have selected our desktop and we are going to start encode. So it is encoding now guys, it might take some of the time. So as you can see guys, the encoding is almost done over here. It is on 92.46. So it took almost 3 minutes of mine to just encode this 16-second video, because of my PC is not that fast as compared to other PCs. And as you can see guys, the queue has been finished over here. So let me tell you one thing now guys, when you go to video, you can just this encoder preset, if you want, if this is very slow for you, you can just take it to faster or fast. It will be much better. It won't affect your size of the file much on a bigger range, but it will just help you in a small bit, so make a note of that. So this one is our encoded file, and as you can see guys, the right one was the main file, which was 4.42 MB, and the encoded file is 1.88 MB. So mostly more than 60% of our file is compressed over here. Now let me show you the quality of this video. So let's open this with VLC media, and let's open this as well with VLC media. Okay, so let me show you the difference between both the files. The left file is the compressed file and the right file is the original file. So let me show you both of those clips. So as you can see guys, both of the files are almost similar. There might be some very tiny quality loss in the left one, I guess, but it can't be seen by the naked eyes. Not much, but yes, it's not that, you know, quality loss. But if you are quality conscious, then you can just select the settings to like this constant quality to like 22. If you are very quality conscious, like you will get the original quality 22, but if you go more than 22, it might lose some of the quality of the video, so make a note of that. So this was the trick. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share this video with your friends as much as possible, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.